Under the skin, there are multiple oil glands that secrete sebum to keep it moisturized, but hormonal, environmental, and other factors can also trigger an overproduction of sebum, which then rises through the pores to the skin's surface. All these impurities accumulate in the skin pores over time and provide fodder to skin bacteria that multiply and trigger skin infections such as acne. Moreover, the buildup of dead cells and oil on the skin can make it look increasingly dull, greasy, and tired. Consistent skin care from your 20s is the best way to keep it young, healthy, and glowing for longer. This entails regular cleansing, moisturizing, and toning of the skin along with gentle exfoliation every few days. Ground coffee is an excellent exfoliating agent that gently removes impurities that clog the pores and allow the skin to breathe. The coffee granules don't dissolve easily in water and have a mild scrubbing action that does not irritate the skin. Homemade coffee scrubs help remove dead cells, oil, and grime for the top layer of the skin to make it smooth, soft, and shiny. In this video, I will show you an amazing scrub for face. So, let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of ground coffee, with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix both the ingredients in a clean bowl to make a thick, smooth paste. Gently massage this coffee scrub on your face and neck in circular upward motions. 5 minutes. Leave it on your face for about 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Try it once a week and you will get an amazing result. I just want to tell you this information that different people have different skin types and some can react negatively to the natural ingredients used in this scrub. So, you may also have allergies that you are not aware of. It's recommended to patch test the scrub on the underside of your arm before applying it to your face. If you notice any burning or irritation after the patch test or after applying the scrub to your face, wash it off right away. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.